In this video, we'll be discussing disability benefits for widows and widowers of deceased veterans. My name is Zack Evans, and I am a disability benefits attorney with Woods & Woods Attorneys in Evansville, Indiana. The three types of benefits that we're going to limit this video to are accrued, substitution, and DIC benefits, or dependency and indemnity compensation benefits. Those are commonly known as death benefits. So the first category, accrued benefits, you must file within 1 year of the veteran's death. It is a standalone claim, and your entitlement to accrued benefits is based on claims pending at the time of the veteran's death. So you can't start a new claim if you submit an accrued claim. You can't open a new issue. Unfortunately, under the accrued benefits track, it is a closed record. So you cannot submit additional evidence. The amount of your accrued benefits, if it's a death on or after December 16th, 2003, it's the total amount of past due benefits that would have or should have been awarded to the veteran. If the death is prior to December 16th, 2003, you're limited to 2 years of past due benefits. Now that's not the most recent 2 years, so the 2 years right before death. It's just any 2 years. There's been some litigation in court that has drawn out that distinction. Previously, the VA was limiting it to the 2 years right before death, but that's inappropriate. The second type is substitution. Substitution claims are very special. They are the same qualifications that will get you into an accrued claimant position will qualify you for substitution, but there are some big differences. So the biggest of them is that it's not a separate claim. The substitute stands in place of the vet. I like to think of this as a baton at a track meet. So whenever you're in a substitution claim, when you're a substituted claimant, you stand in the veteran's spikes. So an accrued claim stops the race, you go back to the starting line, and you have to wait for the gun again. But a substitution is a simple handoff of the claim. It's much faster, and a huge advantage of substitution claims is that you can submit new evidence. So if there is a missing link between this condition, that condition, the record's silent on some level of disability during a pendency of a claim, then you can obtain that expert opinion and submit that in furtherance of your claim. The third type, and my favorite, is dependency and indemnity compensation, or DIC claims. So essentially, we're trying to link cause of death to service. And the reason that I like this is it provides an ongoing maintenance payment to your widow after you pass away. There's a base rate of about $1,300 a month. It goes up if you have dependent children, if you need aid and attendance with your activities of daily living, or other similar considerations such as if you're housebound due to your own medical conditions. Those can all kick your payments up. I would encourage you to see the full breadth of that payment schedule. It's at benefits.va.gov/compensation/current_rates_DIC.ASP. If you have any questions, please go online or give us a call. Here at Woods & Woods, we'd love to help you.